What is going on, you b-ball roadrunners? I'm Chris, and today on Nostalgia Dig, we're still going on this one mixed lot I got from eBay. There's tons of stuff in here. This is video, I don't even know anymore, 7, maybe 8, I don't know. So without further ado, let's dig in. Okay, we have a little Woodstock. One of the earlier videos from this box, there was a Snoopy with a bandit mask on, and I know now that this goes with that. I was a little unsure in that entry about if that was actually Snoopy, because I don't remember them wearing bandit masks, and it was like, could it be another dog or whatever? Most likely it was Snoopy. There's Woodstock, Bandit Woodstock. All right, little girl. She can sit, she can stand, she can hold something. No information. Ooh, here we go. Another one of these little squishers, squishies. Sinestro, right? I'm not really into Green Lantern, so I don't know a ton about the characters and the lore, but I think that's who this is. Yeah, these are fun. That's a good collection. I've got 3. I think this is the 3rd DC. There's Marvel, Star Wars, SpongeBob, random animals. It's cool. All right, very small. Potential Barbie. Copyright Mattel. Do these come apart? This might be a Minecraft thing. I don't know. Plus. Not sure what this is. At first I thought it could be Minecraft. It's got that look to it, but I don't know. It looks like you can take them apart, build with them. Another little building system. Neat. All right, we have ourselves another little Pokemon here. I believe this is Nose Pass, and I would only know that because there's a Pokemon on Pokemon Go looks similar to this named Nose Pass, and it is one of the weirder ones. That's just a weird one. Am I wrong in thinking that? There are so many Pokemon at this point that I'm not going to say they're running out of ideas, but they're having to dig deep to come up with new ones that they haven't already done. Nose Pass. All right. We have a wing. Potentially Lego, maybe? Yeah. If you haven't seen the earlier videos, there are a lot of pieces in this box that appear to be part of a bigger Lego robot. And I'm really hoping there's enough to actually build a full robot by the end of this. I will be really excited if there is. All right, this is the body to a little eraser bird. And I believe I found the head in a previous video. It'll be too much to try to dig it out right now, but take my word for it. I think we have a complete eraser yellow bird at this point, just with a little bit of glue needed. It looks like a sword gun, maybe? I don't know who this belongs to. It's kind of cool. I know they used gun blades in one of the Final Fantasy games, but I don't think that's what this is. Okay, a little army guy here. He's about to yeet a grenade. Seems like he's in his desert garb here. Yeah, this is the second army dude out of this box. The other one was a green one. This is a tan one. Yep. And they're in the line of small squishy items. This guy's got a slot in the back of his head. And an S on his back. Kind of penguin, seal looking. Don't know. Again, I know the name Squinkies is a thing, and there's an S. That's just a guess. Could be way off on that. Not sure. All right, we've got a little Green Lantern to go with Sinestro over there. I'm not sure which Green Lantern it is. Hal Jordan. Who were the other ones? Kyle Rayner. John Stewart. Probably not him. Guy Gardner. And there's been a ton. Just testing my memory on Green Lantern stuff. Like I said earlier, I don't know a ton about Green Lantern. I'm going to go with Hal Jordan. He's usually the safe bet. All right. Lego looking connector thing. If there is enough to make a robot. The thing is, I'm pretty sure there's not instructions in here. And I'm not the type of brain that can put together a Lego set without the diagrams. So we'll see what happens on that. Here we have a very happy looking sheep. Eee. Copyright Disney. That makes me think I should know more about this. I don't know if I want to go there. Home on the Range. Never saw it. Had cows in it. Farm related, I believe. Not remembered as a Disney classic. But potential? Maybe. I mean, it could be. There could have been a sheep in some other random Disney movie that I just totally forgot about, too. Let me know. Okay. Have a little rock. It looks like he's either missing a head or this is like a suit for someone. Hopefully we can find what goes on the top here. Okay, getting back into Marvel squishies. Here we have the Human Torch, Johnny Storm. These look like the same. Let's grab Shazam here for comparison. Very similar art style. I'm not going to say that they're definitely from the same company, but they could be. So this is the second Marvel one I found. The first one was Taskmaster in a previous video. So that's a good sign. I want more Marvel. Lego foot, maybe? Robot foot? Here's a medal for the field day. You see that? Yeah, there you go. Not sure what this goes to. Okay, here we go. Here's the thing to go with Johnny Storm. And I'm quite sure I said this, but Thing is such like an iconic design. Almost every line of toys that's generic Marvel things has the Thing as one of their entries. Because he's just so instantly recognizable. Just the bright orange rock, bright blue trunks, which contrasts so well with his orange rocky skin. He sticks out so well in a good way. He's just so recognizable. He's such an iconic character. Yep, a little squishy thing. Love it. Okay, some more of these plus building blocks. Potentially Minecraft related. Not sure. It's another purple hairstyle. I think I found the exact same thing in a previous video. So there are two things that are just waiting for a beautiful purple hairstyle at this point. Squishy green pigeon. Maybe a part of the animal series. Classic Lego here. And another. Squishy lion. I believe we had one of these already. Maybe a different color. This one looks more traditional lion color. We have a horse with a very dramatic tail style going on. Almost like a tornado thing going on here. It's funny. No information. That's a pretty blue-eyed horse with a tornado tail. Okay, another one of these. In a previous video, we found one of these squishies of these droids. Yeah, I believe this is a double, the exact same one. But if you want a double of anything, it's these, because they're droids and they made millions of them. And they're made to be multiples. So, good. More Lego. Interesting shaped piece here. Speaking of interesting shaped pieces, this looks like a street light made to hook onto something. Don't know what though. All right, cool. We have a Sonic here in full sprint. Good action pose. It looks like he might have hooked onto a base at some point and he has been torn off of that base. It's a shame because there's no way he will stand up without a base. But still a really cool toy. Really fun sculpt. Another little Marvel one here. That's Juggernaut. Maybe not the best sculpt. But still, happy to have a Juggernaut. He's another of my all-time favorite Marvel villains. Tiny, squishy Juggernaut. Piece. Another piece to something. And another piece to something. And another piece to something. There's getting to be a lot of building blocks here. All right. Tiny blue ninja. Kind of translucent. Ready to strike with that sword there. This might have been a quarter machine thing. Maybe. He's a harder plastic. He doesn't bend very much. Okay. Oh, I still have it right here. Looks like a front and back to something here. They don't click together, but they look like they might click front and back on something. I'm hoping. Desperately want to build a robot out of all these parts, because otherwise they're kind of pointless to me. Okay, we have a little glittery troll. Looks like from the Troll movie. I haven't seen those movies. It just says copyright 2016 Hasbro, so that was probably from the first one, if I had to guess. Should I watch it? I like animated movies, but I need the humor to be relatable to an adult as well. So is the humor for kids, like, exclusively, or is it something everyone can enjoy? Let me know. Okay, here's a little, looks like an astronaut. And he's either missing his head or he has a very small head. I like to think of it that's just his little tiny bald head there. He's got this giant suit on. It reminds me of Starcom. I know that's not what this is, but I had toys when I was a kid that were Starcom, and they were about this size. They had magnets on their feet, and outer space toys. Hopefully find his head. Here's just a disc with this lion man on it. QR code on the back. You want to scan that? Go ahead. I don't know what it is. 2016 Hasbro. This tiny little one-eyed alien with his mouth wide open. It's like his arms behind his back. He's really cute. I think I found one in a previous video that seems like it might have gone with this. These remind me more of little like art toys, even though I don't think they are. He's fun. And with this one, I think we'll end. This looks just like the head to a Plants vs. Zombies zombie. A blue one. I love this game. The original Plants vs. Zombies game is one of my favorites, top 10 favorite games of all time. I really enjoy fun tower defense games, not really overwhelming ones, like Bloons, Bloons. I really got into as well. I have a Funko Pop Vinyl, one or two of Plants vs. Zombies, but it'd be fun to have a little one like this too. Hopefully there's a body or something in there to go with it. Okay, and with that, we're going to end the video. Thanks for watching. Plenty more to go in this box, mostly tiny things. Probably going to fly through some of it pretty quick, but there's still a lot of fun stuff that I spy in there. If you're enjoying these videos, I encourage you to subscribe. It really helps me out, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next dig. Bye.